Alright, so summer's here, and today I'm going to talk about 5 best fragrances for men for summers. And these are the fragrances that are absolutely amazing. First of all, in terms of quality, the cost may or may not be up. So, it totally depends. I'm just picking these fragrances randomly. This is just the first part, and I'll be coming up with another part very soon. As it is summer, the very first fragrance that we're going to talk about is a vetiver-centric perfume, and this is known as Fattan by the house of Rasasi. Now, Rasasi Fattan is one of the bestseller. It is a kind of fragrance that actually got the entire Rasasi house up in the market. Not just this one, there were a lot of other fragrances as well, but then this is something that actually was into that hype train because people were crazy for it back then. The bottle is pretty convenient. It comes in this small bottle, and the cap is a bit funny because it never clicks. It gives this weird kind of fit. So I always thought that Rasasi Fattan caps are weird. Let me just revisit the fragrance. I love this one, by the way. This is one of my best pick, to be honest, and I got this as a blind buy. So Rasasi Fattan is their take on Ted Hermes, and Ted Hermes is one of the best vetiver-centric perfume. Rich, lush, green scent profile. It has this freshness of vetiver. So there are a lot of perfumes that are like old, mature scent profile in terms of vetiver. This, however, is a fresh vetiver perfume. It is going to give you that fresh vibe, that fresh note that you are actually supposed to get in a vetiver-centric perfume. So this is the number one. Second one in the list is Autumn Summer. Now there are two reasons why I got this bottle in this list. First is the color, because it shouts summer. And the second is the name, because it is Autumn Summer. Good. The spray is very good. Now talking about the scent profile, and here where it gets tricky, the scent profile is not entirely summer centric. I mean, it is one of those perfumes that you can wear in summer, in fall, in winter, whenever you like. So that is what I feel is the best about this perfume. You can wear it in summer and you can wear it in winters as well. So that is the best thing. Now, here they have added some shells and stuffs like that. I'm not sure if these are natural shells. I'm not sure if they are, made of plastic or something. For that, I'll need to break the bottle. That I'm never going to do. But then the scent profile actually is going to remind you of these things inside. Now the best explanation that I can give you about this perfume is if you're standing on a beach, all those stones, the mossy stones, if you're going to a beach or just by the end of the beach, there are a lot of stones somewhere. If you're standing there, you'll get this mossy kind of scent profile, which is green, which is salty, it has a sea breeze scent, and you smell all the salts and the mossy fragrance. That is what I get in this perfume, and in that way they have done it an amazing job, because it actually depicts summer as in standing on a beach or standing on those stones and just sniffing the entire environment. So that is Autumn Summer for you. Third one on the list is Afnan's 9 a.m. dive. Now 9 a.m. dive is sadly not that much recognized in the entire 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. universe, because I think this is the least talked scent profile. Sprayer is good. It's very good. Now this is fresh, this is clean, and the name is absolutely perfect in terms of what this perfume represents. It is a 9 a.m. perfume, a perfume that you wear while going to the office, a perfume that you wear when you are at home. You just woke up, you had breakfast, you just got out of the shower, and you applied this perfume. So that is what this perfume is all about. And for the office thing, this is perfect because it is a kind of scent profile that is designed to be the safer side kind of scent profile. Not even a single person in the universe is going to be offended by it because it's a fresh scent profile. It gives it gives this amazing good boy kind of vibe that I think is pretty much good. I mean, the bottle is is a good boy kind of bottle. I'll show you one bottle which is like a bad boy bottle. I don't have it with me right now. For example, let's see. Let's say this one. This is a bottle. It looks like a bad boy bottle. In that way, this bottle looks like a good boy bottle. It's just a weird interpretation, but then yeah, that's it. That's 9 a.m. dive for you. Next one on the list is Aventus by Creed. no matter what people say, this is going to be an amazing perfume for summers because this is going to be a fresh, citrusy, good ambience, good vibes kind of scent profile. Although it is good for winters as well. I mean, it's an all season wear kind of fragrance, but then in summers you are going to be amazed by the performance it gives you. So I'm not sure, what batch I have. I think it's the latest batch, and someone told me that the latest batches are amazing in terms of performance and CH. And that is what I've been noticing because it was performing in an amazing manner. It gave me like 4 hours, which is, I think, good for Creed. It is for summer, but then it doesn't mean that you can wear this fragrance outside. It is for summer, as in you can wear it in the evening where the atmosphere is a little bit on a cooler side, but then still there is some kind of hotness in the environment. If I don't know if that is the right word, but then I'm sure you got it. Aventus is something that people are going to notice and love on you. That is for sure. The last one on the list is Island Bliss by Armaf. Now, of course, the bottle itself is a representation of a summer drink, a tropical drink. That's it. So that is the main reason why I got this one in this list. Now, Island Bliss is something that is going to give you again a beach vibe, but then this beach vibe is like sitting on a table, just laying on a table with an umbrella on your head, and you are sipping a tropical drink, a milkshake maybe, and that is how it smells like. Now, the prominent note in this one is coconut. It is going to give you a coconut vibe, a coconut milkshake kind of vibe, where the main and the major ingredient is coconut. That's it. That's all I have to say about this perfume. Apart from that, I'm going to do a full review of this perfume very soon. As of now, I can say that the bottle is amazing. I love the other bottle, the strawberry one, but then this is good as well. So if you're into tropical, semi-gourmandish kind of scent profile that smells fresh, clean, and amazing, this is going to be an amazing one. So these are the 5 scent profiles for summer, guys. Agree, disagree? Let me know in the comment section.